Top 10 Facts About Climate Change and Its Impact. Welcome, everyone, to our channel. Today, we're delving into a critical issue that affects us all: climate change. Our planet is undergoing significant transformations, and it's crucial to be aware of the facts. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 facts about climate change and its impact. So, buckle up for an insightful journey into the challenges our environment is facing. Fact 10. Rising global temperatures. Let's start with the undeniable reality of rising global temperatures. Over the past century, Earth's average temperature has increased by approximately 1.2 degrees Celsius. This seemingly modest shift has far-reaching consequences. It disrupts weather patterns, leading to more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and storms. These extreme weather events not only pose immediate threats, but also have long-term impacts on agriculture, water resources, and ecosystems. Moreover, the warming trend contributes to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers. The Arctic, for instance, is experiencing unprecedented ice loss, affecting both wildlife and indigenous communities. Fact 9. Melting ice caps and rising sea levels. Building on the impact of rising temperatures, the accelerated melting of ice caps and glaciers is a stark reality. Not only does this affect polar bears and other Arctic wildlife, but it also contributes significantly to rising sea levels. As the ice melts, the added water increases the volume of oceans, posing a threat to coastal cities and ecosystems. This isn't a distant future scenario. It's happening now, demanding urgent global attention and action. Fact 8. Ocean acidification and coral bleaching. Shifting our focus to the oceans, climate change is causing another critical issue: ocean acidification. The excess carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere not only warms the planet, but also gets absorbed by the oceans. This process alters the water's chemistry, making it more acidic. This acidification poses a threat to marine life, especially organisms with calcium carbonate skeletons, like corals, mollusks, and some plankton species. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are particularly vulnerable. The increased acidity, combined with rising sea temperatures, leads to coral bleaching. Fact 7. Extreme weather events. As the climate continues to change, the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events are on the rise. Hurricanes, typhoons, droughts, and wildfires are becoming more severe, affecting communities worldwide. The warming atmosphere provides additional energy for these events, making them more destructive. In regions prone to such disasters, the impact on infrastructure, agriculture, and human lives is profound. Communities must adapt to new challenges, implement resilient infrastructure, and address the humanitarian aspects of climate-related disasters. Understanding the link between climate change and extreme weather events is crucial for developing strategies that protect vulnerable populations and ensure a sustainable future. Fact 6. Threat to biodiversity. Climate change poses a significant threat to global biodiversity. The alteration of ecosystems, combined with temperature shifts, affects the distribution and behavior of plant and animal species. Some species may face extinction as they struggle to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. This loss of biodiversity disrupts ecosystems, affecting their ability to provide essential services such as pollination, water purification, and pest control. The interconnectedness of species within ecosystems means that the decline of one can trigger a domino effect, impacting others in the food chain. Recognizing the urgency of protecting biodiversity is fundamental to addressing the broader challenges posed by climate change. Feel free to let me know if you'd like to continue with the next set of facts, or if there's a specific aspect you'd like to emphasize further. Fact 5. Impact on agriculture and food security. Climate change significantly affects global agriculture, leading to shifts in growing seasons, altered precipitation patterns, and an increased frequency of extreme weather events. These changes pose threats to crop yields and food security. Some regions may experience reduced agricultural productivity, impacting the livelihoods of farmers and the availability of essential crops. This, in turn, can contribute to rising food prices and potential social unrest. The challenge is not only quantity, but also quality. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can affect the nutritional content of crops. Fact 4. Displacement and climate refugees. The environmental changes brought about by climate change, such as rising sea levels and extreme weather events, contribute to the displacement of communities. People living in vulnerable areas may be forced to migrate due to the loss of their homes, livelihoods, and access to resources. These climate-induced migrations lead to the emergence of climate refugees, adding an additional layer to the global migration crisis. Fact 3. Global economic impact climate change has far-reaching consequences for the global economy. The increasing frequency of extreme weather events, disruptions to agriculture, and rising sea levels pose risks to infrastructure, supply chains, and business operations. These impacts can lead to economic losses on a massive scale, affecting industries, employment, and overall economic stability. Understanding the economic implications of climate change is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and communities to implement strategies that promote resilience and sustainable development. Fact 2. Accelerating feedback loops. Climate change triggers feedback loops that amplify its effects. For example, as Arctic ice melts, it reduces the Earth's albedo, or reflectivity, allowing more sunlight to be absorbed by the dark ocean. This, in turn, accelerates the warming process. Similarly, thawing permafrost releases stored greenhouse gases, further contributing to global warming. Recognizing these feedback loops is crucial, as they can lead to more rapid and severe climate changes than initially predicted. Understanding these complex interactions highlights the urgency of taking decisive action to mitigate climate change. Fact 1. The role of human activity. At the heart of the climate change crisis is the undeniable influence of human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial processes, and other anthropogenic activities release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. The overwhelming consensus among scientists is that human activities are the primary driver of the observed changes in climate. In conclusion, the top 10 facts about climate change and its impact shed light on the multifaceted challenges our planet faces. From rising temperatures to biodiversity loss, each aspect is interconnected. Thank you for joining us on this important journey, and remember, the choices we make today shape the world of tomorrow.